Hidden deep underground and shielded from prying eyes, the world's most secretive military bases operate beyond public knowledge. But today, we're exposing their shocking truths. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 most classified facilities on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to uncover more government secrets they don't want you to see. Let the revelations begin. Number 10. DULCE Base, United States. Buried deep beneath the Archuleta Mesa in New Mexico, DULCE Base has become ground zero for persistent conspiracy theories. According to whistleblowers, this multi-level underground facility allegedly houses advanced biological research programs, some involving non-human intelligences. The base is said to be connected to other secret installations via underground tunnels using high-speed transit systems. While the US government denies its existence, reports describe 7 subterranean levels, with the deepest allegedly containing genetic experimentation labs. The nearby town of Dulce has reported unusual military activity since the 1970s, including black helicopters transporting mysterious cargo. Number 9. GJADER Air Base, Albania. This Cold War relic stands as one of the most mysterious Soviet installations beyond Russia. Constructed during Albania's communist era, GJADER served as a nuclear-hardened shelter for Soviet strategic bombers, with 30 mountain-carved aircraft shelters designed to withstand direct nuclear strikes. Declassified documents indicate plans to deploy tactical nuclear weapons here during emergencies. Though officially abandoned, satellite imagery reveals ongoing activity, hinting at continued operations. Local accounts mention underground storage facilities and guarded weapon stockpiles, while NATO nations maintain the base's current status as classified. Number 8. OLAVSVERN Naval Base, Norway. Hidden deep within Arctic mountains near Tromsø, this ultra-secure NATO facility serves as a critical submarine operations hub. Originally built during the Cold War to track Soviet subs, the base's granite-shielded chambers can secretly accommodate 6 nuclear submarines, invisible to all surveillance methods. Its prime location controls access through the vital GI-UK gap shipping lanes. Recent expansions reveal upgraded dry docks capable of modifying stealth submarines, suggesting a growing role in Arctic security operations. While Norwegian officials remain silent about current operations, intelligence analysts report testing of next-generation unmanned underwater vehicles in the base's heavily protected waters. Number 7. YULIN Naval Base, China. Concealed under Hainan Island's dense vegetation, this ultra-secure facility serves as the centerpiece of China's submarine fleet. Satellite analysis shows massive underground docks housing up to 20 nuclear submarines, completely hidden from spy satellites. The base's innovative underwater tunnel network permits covert submarine deployment without surfacing. Recent expansions indicate growing capabilities for underwater espionage operations, with multiple security layers, including electronic monitoring and heavily armed patrols. Military experts identify YULIN as the primary base for China's submarine surveillance operations targeting US Pacific forces. The facility's complete specifications remain among China's top military secrets. Number 6. HAARP Research Station, Alaska, USA. While officially studying the ionosphere, this Alaskan facility's powerful capabilities fuel persistent speculation about hidden purposes. Its array of 180 antennas can project massive energy bursts into the atmosphere, with declassified records confirming military research into plasma-based missile defense systems. The station's controversial patents include technologies for weather modification and electromagnetic frequency applications. Its 2014 transfer to civilian oversight only deepened mysteries, with defense analysts suggesting this masked relocation of its most sensitive programs to undisclosed sites. Number 5. KAPUSTIN YAR, Russia. Established in 1946 using captured Nazi rocket scientists, this massive testing range remains Russia's premier facility for cutting-edge aerospace weapons development. The base currently focuses on hypersonic missile systems and advanced stealth technology research, with extensive underground facilities rumored to study unconventional propulsion methods. KAPUSTIN YAR gained international attention through multiple UFO encounters, most notably a 1989 incident involving alleged military engagement with unidentified aircraft. Recent satellite imagery reveals significant expansion, indicating continued investment in classified aerospace programs despite economic challenges. Number 4. DUGWAY Proving Ground, Utah, USA. The DUGWAY Proving Ground is a key U.S. Army testing facility spanning over 800,000 acres in Utah's desert region. Established during World War II, this secure military installation specializes in chemical and biological defense research, along with weapons system evaluation. The site maintains advanced laboratories for studying hazardous materials and developing protective measures against chemical biological threats. Its testing ranges support evaluation of various defense systems, while specialized facilities allow for controlled studies of detection equipment and decontamination procedures. The base operates under strict security protocols to support its mission of ensuring military preparedness against chemical and biological warfare threats. Number 3. Diego Garcia, Indian Ocean. This strategically located joint UK-US military facility serves as a critical logistics hub and naval support station in the Indian Ocean. The base provides essential support for regional maritime operations and serves as a key refueling point for military aircraft. Its infrastructure includes port facilities capable of accommodating large naval vessels and an airfield that supports various military aircraft operations. While officially described as a communications and support station, some analysts have noted specialized facilities that may support broader strategic functions. The base's establishment involved the relocation of local inhabitants during the 1960s to 70s as part of its development into a military installation. Current operations focus on supporting regional security missions and maintaining maritime domain awareness. Number 2. Fort Meade, Maryland, USA. As the headquarters of the National Security Agency, Fort Meade serves as the center of U.S. signals intelligence and cybersecurity operations. The facility houses advanced computing infrastructure supporting critical intelligence missions, including sophisticated encryption research and communications monitoring capabilities. The base's extensive underground facilities contain secure data networks linking to other government installations, with specialized teams maintaining these classified systems. Number 1. Pine Gap, Australia. This joint US-Australian facility serves as a critical signals intelligence station, with its distinctive radomes housing advanced satellite tracking and communications interception systems. Located deep in the Australian outback, Pine Gap supports intelligence sharing between Five Eyes nations while monitoring regional electronic communications. The base's underground facilities contain specialized equipment for processing intercepted data, contributing to both conventional intelligence operations and space surveillance activities. Which of these secret bases shocked you the most? Drop a comment below. We read everyone. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video with more explosive revelations.